Patricia Morgan here with Solutions for Resilience. Goodness, it seems that many people are solving a relationship problem by doing a cutoff, that is, not responding to their loved one or their friend, or doesn't matter, the relationship. It's got actually in some ways out of control. I have friends, family, and clients, therapeutic clients, who are dealing with cutoffs. Oftentimes it doesn't make any sense to them, and sometimes they have sort of an inkling about what's going on. I had a friend during COVID, 2 years, didn't make connection. Oh, you're left kind of helpless and powerless. I had a client who recently, we developed 5 steps to write a letter to do some relationship connection and repair, at least an attempt, because it does help with the sense of powerlessness and helplessness to do something. So here are the 5 steps that we use to write an attempt to do relationship repair. And the first was to describe the disconnect. It might be as simple as, "Dear John, it was over 5 months ago that we had a cup of tea. That's what happened." Number 2 is share how you feel. "I feel disconnected and I'm feeling frustrated that I don't know really what happened." Also describe the effect of what's going on with the disconnect, such as, "Well, I'm feeling kind of lonely and disconnected, and guess what? Each time I see a picture of you, I flash back to that time we had tea. Each time I see a photo of you, same thing." Step 3 is to reminisce about what you miss. So talk about the good times. "I remember all the times that we've had chai tea together." Yes, and we talked about our own personal problems. We shared deeply what was going on in our lives. And when I needed somebody to help me pick out the perfect and right outfit for a wedding, there you were. You've been there so many times for me. So you reminisce about the richness of that relationship. Now, step number 4 is saying what you want. "I would really like you back in my life. I'd really like to see you again. I'd like to be sharing that chai tea with you again." And then number 5 is declare what you will do. Yeah, declare what you will do to make that happen. So I'm willing to pick you up. I'm willing to give you a phone call and see about what we can do to amend this. If needed, I'm willing to make an apology. Now, an apology letter or apology statement is another process, and there's also that information on my website. But the step number 5 is what you are willing to do this relationship repair. And last but not least is invite the other person to come towards. They're way out here. Come towards. Would that work for you? Will you meet with me? Will you have that first initial phone call? Please let me know. I miss you. I hope that was helpful. So know that oftentimes other people are suffering, and when they go in, say, to despair, depression, they just do not have the energy to connect. Say your blessings and know that you're doing the best you can. That's it for now.